ever had a great app idea, opened Figma, and then spent hours just trying to figure out where everything should go? What if you could start with a simple idea, a screenshot, or even a rough sketch, and turn into a polished interface much faster? Today, we are looking at UXMagic.ai, an AI-powered design platform built to help turn ideas into user interface. You can start with a text prompt, a screenshot, or a sketch, and then refine the result instead of building every screen from scratch. So, in this video, I will walk you through the main features, show you how the workflow works, and then we will look at the pricing and how this tool makes the most sense for. Before we continue, this video is for informational purpose. Features, pricing, credits, and availability can change over time. So always check the official UX Magic website for the latest information before making a decision. So what exactly is UX Magic? At its core, it's an AI-powered design assistant that helps you create UI screens from different types of input. You can describe what you want using text, work from a screenshot, or start with a rough sketch. Instead of stopping at simple visual concept, UX Magic is designed around editable UI, making it much more useful for an actual product design workflow. Let's start with one of the simplest way to use it, generating UI from a prompt. Instead of manually creating the structure, first you can describe the interface you want and let UX Magic generate the design. And if you are still figuring out the product structure, there is also wireframe mode, which is useful for planning layout and user flow before moving into a polished design. Then there is flow mode. Instead of thinking about just one screen, you can use a single prompt to create a multi-screen user flow. So you could move from an idea to wireframe and then toward a more complete interface without manually rebuilding every screen. But prompts are not the only way to start. If you already have a design reference, UX Magic can also turn a screenshot into a UI. And if your idea is still on paper, the sketch to UI feature can help transform a rough drawing into a more polished digital interface. Once the design is generated, you don't necessarily have to regenerate everything just because one section needs changing. With sectional editing, you can focus on a specific part of the screen and make targeted changes. Consistency is another important part of UI design. UX Magic includes a style guide features for applying consistent color, typography, and components across your design. And if you already have an established workflow, you can import Figma components and your existing design system into UX Magic. When you are finished, you can also export high fidelity design back to Figma. Another interesting feature is clone aside. If you want to explore the structure of an existing website, you can provide its URL and recreate the site's layout as an editable UI design. From there, you can use the result starting point for exploration and make changes to the content and design. Just remember that cloning a website doesn't give you permission to copy someone else's branding, content, or protecting asset. And this is where UX Magic becomes more useful than simply generating a visual concept. Once your design is ready, you have several ways to continue the workflow. You can export high fidelity design to Figma or export code for development. UX Magic supports production, ready HTML, React, and Taiwan code export, and it also offers direct export option for platforms such as Former and Webflow. So the basic workflow becomes simple. Start with an idea, generate the interface, refine it, and then move it into your design or development workflow. Now let's talk about pricing. UX Magic has a free plan, a pro plan, and an enterprise option. The free plan is $0 per month and currently includes 30 one-time credit, up to 5 screens, 5 projects, and 1 Figma export. The pro plan is listed at $17.50 per month with 1,200 monthly credit, up to 200 screens, unlimited projects, and 250 Figma exports. Then there is Enterprise, which uses custom pricing and adds team and security features such as unlimited team seats, custom edit allocation, SSO and SAAML authentication, and admin dashboard, shared design system, priority support, and dedicated onboarding. Pricing elements can change, so check the official pricing page page before subscribing. So, who is UX Magic actually useful for? For UI and product designers, it can speed up early ideation and repetitive design work. For developers and founders, it can help turn product ideas into structured interface before development. And for freelancer or small team, features like reusable design system, collaboration, Figma integration, and code export can make the workflow more connected. But if you already have a design process you are happy with and don't need AI assistant generation, you may not need every feature UX Magic offers. Overall, UX Magic is built around a simple idea. Reduce the amount of manual work between having an idea and creating a usable interface. Its strongest point are the variety of ways you can start, from prompts and screenshots to sketches, combined with tools for flow, editing style, consistency, Figma, and development handoff. Whether it's worth paying for will depend on how often you design and how much of your workflow you want AI to handle. But if you are consistently starting from a blank canvas, UX Magic is definitely a tool worth exploring. And remember, features and pricing can change, so check the official UX Magic website for the latest details. If this video helped and you understand UX Magic, give it a like, share it with someone who works in UI or product design, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and about useful AI tools, website, and digital platforms. The UX Magic link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.